folks, it's Norm Bergen here, taking you on yet another insider's tour of Jasper National Park. The other evening, I was out with a group of folks on a wildlife tour. Oh, did we see a bunch of wildlife? Well, we seen a little black bear with 2 cubs. She crossed the road right in front of us and she climbed the trees. She must have been there for a little while, because then this happened. We all gotta go, and when you gotta go, you gotta go. This mother bear was so fortunate that she chose the same tree as her brown cub. You see, it was the black cub that had to go. The brown cub settled in for a nap. Its nose is running a little. Can you see the drop? Mother bear left the tree minutes later and foraged in the grasses below. And after making itself comfortable on a higher branch, the black cub also fell asleep. Bears climb trees, but they love to climb those beautiful white aspen trees and take the new buds off the top. Well, this mother chased her 2 cubs up 2 dead trees. Well, folks, the reason was there was a beautiful big black bear down here, and for safety's sake, she was saving her cubs. When you're up here watching these beautiful animals, remember, respect their territory. Give them some room. Stay in your vehicle. This footage was filmed from a safe distance within a vehicle using a 400mm lens. Stay safe, be well, and I'll see you in the mountains.